So we start out today's video with this amazing hair transformation. So she walked into the salon with a longer mullet style, decided to chop it off into this really chic mixy haircut, kind of like a baby mullet variation. Loving this major hair change. She looks absolutely stunning. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at a variety of hair transformations, hairstyle ideas, options, and ideas that you can play around with this season. So if you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have someone who decided to switch up their hair color, getting a bit of a trim with the cut. Looks like she went icy with a pixie. Very nice baby bangs in the front. Wow. Absolutely love this cut and color combination. She looks amazing. Definitely another stunner. So then we see someone with long hair. Let's see if she decides to go short or if she's gonna get some layers. Looks like she is definitely getting layers here. Very nice with the curtain bangs added in the front. And then we have someone who is also going to be getting a pixie style. Looks like the stylist went quite short for this change, added in some choppy texture, really creating a nice little layered choppy effect. And then we see someone with reddish orange colored hair. Looks like she's getting a color refresh. Wow, that color looks absolutely gorgeous. And she did get the mini bob trend. Very nice. I love how fashion forward this looks. So pretty. Apparently she's a model. So then we have another big chop here. Let's see how short she's gonna go. Looks like another pixie. Oh, very nice. I love how the color looks within this pixie cut. beautifully done. She does have the baby bangs going on in the front. Perfect for framing out the face. And then we have a hair transformation from Diego. I have been fangirling his work lately. He's a very talented barber. Looks like he's doing a faded cut with this change, putting in an intricate design. Very nice statement floral piece around the ear, creating like an ear cuff look. And that's also a huge trend right now. Oh, this is so fashion forward. I love it. And this would be a very nice low maintenance style to try out. And then we have someone who already has short hair. And they decided to cut their hair even shorter into more of like a slicked back pixie shape. So they probably came in for a cut refresh. Very nice. So I hope you guys were able to find some hair inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you in the next one.